So today I'm going to show you how to save your RevOps team a ton of time doing research for every single company domain. So before I get into explaining how it works, here's a demo of it actually working. I'm going to paste in two domains here inside of Clay. And here we have Whatnot and SenseBot, right? So under this Google Sheet, I have multiple columns for fields that I want to enrich for. The two in particular is the revenue strategy description. So as you can see, Clay did all of the research for these companies by visiting their websites and specifically looking for information that I'm looking for regarding how their revenue strategy is set up. And as you can see, it's pretty well detailed, as well as the description of what the company does. It looks like the mission and values. Now, how it works. Behind the scenes, I have a ton of different columns in here within Clay. And my prompt using Claygen is that we actually have, pop it open, I'm using Claygen Neon, which actually helps to just separate the two results that I get from Claygen very cleanly, and then add that to two separate columns. And so my prompt for that looks something like this, where we're visiting the company's website, and we're asking the Claygen to visit the website to answer two specific questions. So hopefully that was useful. This will save your RevOps team a ton of time, and happy clay making. Let me know if you'd like access to this workflow down below. This way your reps can actually work just from Google Sheets, and